Camera's on. Go ahead, talk.
Hi.
Is that all you're going to say?
Yeah.
Yeah? You can tell everybody how you're doing?
Yeah.
Yeah? Go ahead.
Hi.
Hi. No, don't touch the camera. Tell everybody how old you are now.
5.
5.
I'm not 4 years old now.
You're not?
I was 4 at my 1 birthday.
Really?
I was 2 or 5. I was 4 years old, 2 or 4 years old. Hey, and I'm 5 now. I am 5 now. I have 10 birthdays. This is 10 birthdays.
You have 10 birthdays?
Yeah.
You're not 10 yet, though. You're only 5.
I'm not 10 yet. And first I'm 5, and then I'm going to turn 10.
You're going to turn 10 after you turn 5?
Yeah.
Don't you think you should turn 6 first? Wait. Can you tell everybody the story you told me about Papa yesterday with the fire?
Yeah. Yeah, the fire.
What about it?
It was dangerous to that house.
And
the fire was in the house.
Fire was in the house. What happened to Papa?
He get into the fire.
He got into the fire?
Yeah.
And then what happened?
Bam!
No, come on, tell me the story.
I don't remember the word again.
You don't remember the story?
No, I don't remember.
You don't remember about Papa burning his finger?
Yeah. Yeah, I do remember the word he was burning his finger. Why the water hole?
Now, wait a second, I was talking to you, come back.
I was talking about the water hole.
The water holes.
Yeah.
The bird bath?
Yeah.
What about it? Just to let everybody know, he did make up this story about Papa on the fire. It didn't really happen. Here. Stop. Dude, chill out. Talk to me. Tell me a story. Quit talking like a baby. Tell me a story. You want pizza?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want pizza? You tell me a story?
Yeah.
Tell me a story. Would you talk right? Turd. Stop! Speak correctly. Show everybody your boo-boos. Show everybody your boo-boos. Show me your boo-boos. Oh, there's one knee. Oh, we got one knee. There's the other knee. That's the arm. That's the arm. That's what happens when he goes to Papa's. It's great. You tell me how you did this one?
Yeah.
How'd you do it?
I fell.
How did you fall?
Because.
Where were you at?
Papa's.
We're at Papa's.
We're not at Papa's.
I know we're not at Papa's. Where did you fall at Papa's? Did you fall in the yard? Did you fall on the hill? In the gravel?
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
I didn't fall in the gravel.
You can't just walk away and continue to talk when nobody can hear you. You gonna mow the grass? Hey, dude, do you want pizza or not? Are you gonna come get it? Doing a man's job? Is that what you're doing? You're mowing the lawn? Is that a man's job?
Yeah.
Are you a man?
No.
No? What are you? A boy.
I gotta do push comes in. This is the on.
That's the on? Well, what's that little lever do?
Off. It turns off.
So the turny thing turns it on, and the lever turns it off, right? Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you gonna come get pizza?
Yeah.
Well, get your butt over here. It's waiting on you. Pizza!
Is that like two?
You want this little piece?
Yeah.
It's kind of hot.
Is it not hot for this side?
I'm telling you, it's kind of hot. You want to sit it down and let it cool off?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's about
Hot pizza.
Oh, the hot pizza.
Nice fresh hot pizza.
That pizza.
Hi.
See the pizza. I want to see the pizza on the box.
You don't see the pizza on the camera? It looks pretty on the camera, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yummy pizza. Very fattening pizza. We'll give you heartburn pizza.
Yeah. That is, my pizza's not cooling down.
What?
My pizza's not cooling down.
Why is it not cooling down?
Because it's going to cool down in a minute.
It's going to cool down in a minute.
Yeah. Do it.
Hey! Can you do a trick for me?
Yeah.
Do a trick for me.
I did last year.
Can you do the splits for me? Show me the splits. Your pants are stopping you, aren't they? Your pants aren't stopping you from doing it?
No.
Well, I know you can go way further than that. So. Put her down.
She's a little bit wet.
She's a little bit wet. Well, I guess she got into some water then.
Well, she just got in it with one spot on her. But
Do the splits like right here. Right here. Do them right here. Your shorts look a little tight there.
they're not tight.
Oh, why aren't you going down then?
I'm not going down. I'm still now.
You know how to do the splits better than this. I've seen you.
Let me do it. That's the one I want. It is just fine. I want it.
Hey, can you do a somersault?
Yeah.
Do it in the grass.
The grass is dirty.
So you're gonna do it on this?
Yeah. I can't even do it.
Why not?
You can just help me.
I have to help you do a somersault?
Yeah. Yeah, you have to help me do a somersault.
But I showed you how to do it. Can't you do it by yourself now?
No.
Why not?
I don't have to do it by myself.
Are you digging in your butt? Here's what it looked like. My car's not going fast. Kinda, yeah. Hey, dude! Come here! Yeah, bring your mower, I don't care. I think there's something wrong with your mower. It's not working. It's not cutting the grass.
I know it's not.
Well, it's supposed to cut the grass. Have you checked it to see if it's working?
It's not working. It
Well-
has balls in it.
Can't you fix it?
No.
Why not?
It has no thing, but it's on like it's on.
It's on like it's on?
Yeah. But the gas, I have almost gas. I'm not running out of gas.
You haven't run out of gas.
No.
So there's something else wrong with it. What the hell was that? What? Was that inside there?
Yeah.
I don't think that goes in there.
It's supposed to be the gas hole. supposed to be the gas hole.
Well, I don't think that goes in the gas hole.
It's supposed to gas.
That's not gas. Gas is liquid, dude.
The gas is not big. The gas is all the way when it comes out. When it goes in the gas hole.
Hey, are you going to fix it so it'll work?
No, it is working.
But it's not cutting the grass.
I know it's not, but those tires are not working.
The tires aren't working. Well, I don't think the tires will fix it. You're Mr. Fix It, fix it. Is it working?
No, not yet.
Not yet? Well, let me know when you're done.
The road's going back and forth?
Did you fix it yet?
No.
No?
Hey, whose name is called?
Oh, I think there's a ball game going on over the park. I hear people yelling. Woo! You hear people yelling? You don't hear people yelling? Well, maybe if somebody would shut their lawnmower off. But don't you hear people going, woo! Hey, you can't mow that. That's not grass. You're supposed to mow the grass. Is your lawnmower working yet? Is it going to cut the grass?
It's a little bit cutting the grass.
It's a little bit cutting the grass?
Yeah, but it's not cutting the grass hard.
It's not cutting the grass hard. So you're not getting enough power, right? Or your blades aren't sharp enough. Which is it? Turn it over and fix it. Fix it. Well, how come it's not working good enough? It's all the way good enough? It's still not cutting the grass. He says, God. Will, come here, I gotta ask you a question. Come here. I'll ask you a question. Is Mama getting on your nerves?
Yeah.
Alright, my turn. Hey, you want to come say bye to the camera?
Yeah.
Come here.
Bye. Bye.
Say peace.
Peace.
Rock on.
Rock on.
Do rock on.
Rock on.
Alright. Bye.
Bye.